How to get my WhatsApp link. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the latest method that you can use to get your WhatsApp link. So first you have to go to your app store and you have to just search for WhatsApp and you have to update the app. I have already updated it and now you can click open over here, or you can just scroll through and go to your WhatsApp app. And once you're on your WhatsApp app, you simply have to click this messages section. And now WhatsApp does not give you an official method for generating a link. You simply have to manually type the link and you can copy it and share it with your friends. So I'm going to type in the code and tell you how you can just use the code to generate a link. So here you can see you have to simply type in wa.me and it's going to give you this option, and now put a slash over here and then you enter your country code over here by giving some gap by using the space bar. My country code is +92, so I'm going to use that code. And now you have to enter your number, and you can just enter your number and then you can just send it to your friends and you'll be able to just share that link. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.